Let's talk about why and higher order thinking skills. Based on Bloom's revised taxonomy, there are 6 levels to thinking. If you have been following along the series, then you know we covered the lower order thinking skills. Now on to the higher order thinking skills. They are analyzing, evaluating, and creating. With the analyzing stage, a person begins to put the pieces to the puzzle together. They begin to make connections and draw conclusions about a topic. In this demonstration, we show the approach to multiply exponents with the same base number, which in this example is 3. You just add both exponents because they have the same base number. In the example, you add the 2 exponents together to get the answer. However, can you explain why? So the base number is 3. Notice it is multiplied 6 times. This is an example where you apply your lower order thinking skills to move forward, analyzing the first steps toward a higher order of thinking skills. The key is to practice. This leads to higher levels of thinking on a topic. If you need practice problems, consider my free digital workbook found in the description below.